Hey Darwin, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this, so I really hope you're watching. And thank you for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. I'm here to audit your site while comparing your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more clients all on your own. Also, it'll give you a better understanding as to why your competitors are being found instead of your company here. I'm going to mainly be going over three things you can do today to help bring in more work. The 3 points, or categories I should say, are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. It's a great website, of course. Easy colors, soft in the eyes. The navigation is fairly simple. All the links seems to be working just fine. I don't see this number being clickable. It's a good feature to have. This way you'll give the option for the user to contact you with ease. It's just a great feature to have. I do see broken images here, like this one here, and I think that's it. But overall, it's a great website. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your homepage alone. Not only will this improve the relevance and of the services that you offer, but also improves a level of trust in Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert inside of Google. In your 1,500 words of content, let's say, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. Keywords, in other words, what I mean are words or phrases that users enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services, landscaping. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the results. Now, for backlinks and citations, for this, let's jump into Ahrefs here. This is a paid tool platform to have, to monitor the back end of your website. It's just a good platform to have. This is what you currently have going. Backlinks, you are at a 5, referring domains 4. It's not giving you any power, unfortunately. For a backlink, when you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. So you really want to be careful on that. Backlinks are your URL level here. And again, with the 5 you currently have, it's not giving you any power. The third and final thing is citation. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar with one of those. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services. That's pretty much what a citation is. Darwin, and again, you really have nothing going for you, unfortunately. Organic keywords, you have 39. This is very important. I'll elaborate a little bit more later on this video. Organic traffic, 0. So you're not getting any people jumping onto your website organically. And I do see you're declining in the ranks here. However, when we look at your competitor, looks like these guys are getting all the attention. They do have some content here, not enough or even close to what you have going. But they do have keywords and backlinks working for them. This is what they have. So backlinks over 42,000, referring domains over 2,000, organic keywords over 21,000. Organically, in a monthly basis, over 31,000 are jumping onto their website organically. The UR 14, the DR out of 58. It's good practice to have these two at a 1-to-1 ratio. It just gives you a boost or a preference inside of Google. So just keep that in mind. But this is what they have. Looks like they're going, they're moving up here. Month of May, they keep going up and down, but overall, increasing on the rankings. The last and most important are the keywords. These are the keywords I was referring to before. So I see you have, let's go back to your website here. So you have 39 keywords. they have over 21,000. This is a list of keywords that they have going with your location, mobile. So in a monthly basis, 150 people are searching for your services with this keyword, 40 for this one, 100 for this one, and as you can see, you get the idea. So imagine these people are finding you instead. That's pretty much the whole point of SEO, is to boost stuff or give power to your website so you can be found instead of your competitors. I'm sure if you are to follow these tips, Darwin, you can increase your rankings and bring in more calls. But this is what I have for you now. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. This way I won't be sending you annoying follow-up emails. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time, Darwin. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.